Here we are, beach ready. Lucy, say hello. Come on, George. Hey! Say hello, Penny. Look at that. And Lucy holding her little sister's hand, look. Good sister you are. You excited, Penny? Yeah? You do some sand castles? You okay? Nearly there. Well done. There's Jordan, Louise, Lucy and Penny. Look at that. Got your little wet shoes on. Come on, boy. You going in the waves? Whee! You don't like that? Lucy likes it, don't you, Luce? Hey, bit fresh again now. Got back in. Oh, good, Lucy. Come in, Luce. Wave, come in. Come on, John. Let's flip it round. Get your head under. You okay? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. You alright? You loving it?
Yeah.
You alright there, George? Where's Jordan too? There he is, floating around.
I like the waves. The waves are fun.
Mum and Penny's down there with the board. Just bobbing around like a proper floater here at the minute. Where's George? Let's flip you around. Where's Lucy? Hey, well done. Having a little float as well, was you? I tripped over you then, didn't I? Ruined your swim, didn't I?
Yeah.
Have it. Bye, Jordan. Hey, Lucy. Getting better at your swimming now, babe, haven't you? Getting there? Been in for ages, haven't we?
Yeah. Don't want to get out.
That's all right, we come back in, we're having a sandwich, yeah?
Yeah.
And a sandwich, go see Penny do some sandcastles or something, yeah?
Yeah.
And we'll come back in. Lovely. The wasp or a fly keeps coming at me. Woo!
You have that on video?
Yeah.
It's on your arm.
Is it? Oh yeah? What is it? What is that? It's not a wasp. What is this beauty doing now? You've been hassling me, yes? How do you like that? Good do one, mate.
He's He's on your ass.
Yeah, I can feel it. What is he doing? What's he so attracted to me? Oh, he's down in the water now, look. Me and Lucy doing sandcastles. I reckon yours is going to be better than my one. Little teeny fishies. See him moving. Watch out for those jellies. It's having a little swim. Look at this little beaut. Let's flip it round a minute. Little jellyfish. How cool is that? Not gonna get too close to mine. But yeah. Cool. Here in the water with Louise, we found another jellyfish. This little blue squishy. Little beaut that, isn't it? Look at that. You alright? Nice.
No, I'm making a sand for a sandhopper.
Okay, for a sandhopper, is it?
Yeah.
Right. What are you making?
Sandcastle.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Very pretty. Well done. All right. Nearly there. Finally made it up to the top. Had a cracking day. That was an ass kicker. You alright? Yeah, you got your ice pose? Yeah. Ready, Spud?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.